Good morning, Martin. Now I show you the first things of the Memorymoog. The AUTOTUNE procedure at the startup. When you light on the Memorymoog, the computer inside have to check that all the voices are tuned. So he will do this procedure, and at the end it will say OK. You will see, as I described it in the picture on eBay, on the screen light characters. So now we light up the Memorymoog. First you will hear the fan. Now I switch on. You see, Moog. Now I push the button AUTOTUNE here. He is tuning. Six tuned, okay, because all the 6 voices are tuned. So this is the first step when you light up, and you see the Memorymoog is working because this is the more important things in Memorymoog. Then we go to hear how does this synthesizer sound. After I will change the position of the camera. So I just push the first button, the first key, and after I change the frame. Okay. It sound nice. Now I change the frame. Here we are. Perfect. Okay. Again. All is working properly. So, you can see my hand on the Memorymoog. First, I want to show you that all the 6 voices are working, fully working. Then voices are working, good. Then I change some preset to make you hear your synthesizer. band is working. Modulation. Amount of modulation. Modulation, okay. You listen. Poi modulation on the LFO. Octave